Good morning everyone, Louis back with another video. The humidity in this place is insane. It's been raining for days. Let me clean it up. And today we're gonna do some mail time, as well as I'm gonna show you how I edit the images that I took on last week's video. Just received these two packages in the mail. Let's open them and see what they have. Do you guys remember the video from last week? Well, in this video we're going to be editing the two images that I took at the end, and I'm going to take you step by step on how I go in the process on how I edit it. I'm going to do it in a fast pace so that we don't waste any time. Today I got a battery for the Fuji, an extra battery, which is going to come in handy for the Smoky Mountain strip that I have upcoming. Always buy the genuine battery. I've never tried the third-party ones, but the original ones are really good. So before I show you the edit and how I do it, I thought we could maybe do some mail time. This is a first aid kit that I got for the trip. I think it's gonna come in handy once we start hiking in the mountain. And this is a handy flashlight, which what's cool about it is that it's USB powered, apparently. I don't know where you would power, but it's USB powered. It's really big. And last but not least, I got the new version 3 capture clip from Pig Design. I think it's gonna come in handy, that way I don't have to carry the camera in my hand or in my bag. I can just put it on the clip on the camera. Okay, so here's the before and after image again. And so I'm gonna show you and walk you through how I edit these images. Once you import these images into Lightroom, you're gonna sort them. In this case, from last week's video, I said that I was gonna do a blend of exposures, but in this case I didn't need it. The image that I captured had enough dynamic range to work for my purposes. So first I go into the develop module and adjust all the light settings, the highlights, the shadows, the whites, the black, and things like that. I play with the clarity a little bit. I like to lower the clarity for my purposes. Then I go ahead and add a gradual filter to bring down the highlights for the sky. And I like to do a radial filter so that I could bring out the lights in the city and make the city stand out a little bit more. Then I go ahead and bring the image into Luminar. Luminar is a software that I use to do color edits, and I adjust the sharpness, I remove the color cast, the blue light of the color cast. I use another gradual filter to enhance the water. Then I bring it back into Lightroom. I adjust the temperature, the tint, and play again with the light settings to get the color style that I use. I always like to lower the clarity a little bit because it gives it that dreamy effect. And we go into curves adjustment layers. We go into the different channels of the image, and then we adjust the colors to get that look, the style at the end. And then I just go ahead and play with it until I feel that I have achieved my desired look. Then I adjust with the colors, the saturation, the luminance, and the hue to make the colors that I want stand out and dim down the colors that I don't. I add some sharpening, some color sharpening, some noise reduction, and then I play with the camera, calibration. And basically that's the full image. You know, this big design thing is really cool. I have like 2 of these. I have the older version of the big design. I have the older version. It's kind of heavy. Still useful. It does the same job. But this one's a lot lighter. And for my upcoming trip, I bought a couple new things. You're gonna see it on the upcoming videos. Basically, so that I could shave off a bunch of the weight since I'm gonna be hiking into the mountains. I calculated all the weight that I could take. Apparently, I googled up online that you can only take about 10% of your body weight if you're doing a day hike. So I'm out of shape, and I know I'm gonna be struggling. So I decided that I wanted to shave down on the amount of weight that I will be carrying. So I bought a couple new things. This being one of them. This is really heavy. This one is a lot lighter to carry. So I'm gonna be using this one instead. And we're gonna be going with family, cousins, and things like that. So everybody's gonna have a good time. All right. So this is the new design. It's a lot lighter, definitely. I wonder if by being lighter it's going to have the same strength or features that the other one had. I feel that the other ones were a little bit more robust, but this is supposed to, at least the way that they advertise, is supposed to carry and be the same way. It comes with a plate. You can buy it directly without the plate. I get it with the plate because this is the new plate, and you can never have enough of this. I'm always losing that. Basically, you clip it right there and your camera will move. You can attach it to your belt, you can attach it to your backpack strap. I have the big design everyday messenger bag. Well, not the messenger, the everyday backpack. You can strap it here. There are many different ways of doing this. You will put it right here, and then once you have it there, you can just strap your camera there. You can just unclip your camera and put it back inside. It's really handy, especially since if you don't want to carry your camera inside your backpack and you just want to just have it outside, so you don't have to keep bringing your backpack down or anything like that. You can always lock it if you don't want to release it. There's a lock mechanism right there if you don't want the camera to be released by accident or anything like that. You can put this anywhere. I'm just gonna leave it there for now. It does come with a tool to tighten it, a couple extra bolts in case you lose them, I guess, and some stickers. Now the first aid kit, since we're going with so many people, we're gonna be hiking at night, and we're gonna be hiking for a long time, and we're gonna be 6 days out. So we wanted something to protect us in case something like an emergency happened. Take this out. Let me grab some scissors, be right back. This is really handy for when you go hiking. It comes with a lot of different things. Aspirin, ibuprofen, gauze, a lot of things for, you know, the first aid kit has. Band-aids, things like that. Hopefully we won't have to use it. In the next upcoming videos, I have more things coming in regarding filters and backpacks and things like that, so stay tuned, as I will be showing the unboxing of those things as well. Now for this second image, I go again through the same process. I copy the settings from the first image to the second, I sync them, and then I go again through the light settings. I add a couple radio filters to make the bridge stand out because it's a little bit too dark, I feel. Then I use a brush to selectively make the bridge lighter. Then I bring it again into Luminar. I use it for sharpening mostly and for overall color correction. Then I replaced the sky on this one. I felt that the sky was a little bit lacking, and then I adjust the sky. Luminar is a great tool for sky replacement. It's really good. I add some defocus to the sky because it was a bit sharp, and then that's pretty much it. Basically in this one I just show you my workflow, my edit, how I process some of the images. If you like a more in-depth look on how these images were taken or any other images I'm going to take in the future, please let me know down in the comments below. I will be going on a hiking trip soon where I'm going to be taking a lot more images. If you would like any particular image for me to show you how I edit it, please leave it down in the comments below. I know this video was a bit rushed. Really there wasn't much to the images. Like I said, I didn't do any exposure blending. Camera I was able to capture enough dynamic range for one single frame to get all the detail. Alright guys, so thank you so much for watching. Like if you like the video, subscribe if you aren't already, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.